Hi there, welcome to this introduction video for the all-new PlanPlus Online homepage. This is a brand new homepage redesign for 2017. The first thing that you'll notice is that there's been some changes in the task area. The mini calendar can now be opened or closed based on your preference. And the task list, which still is your daily and your master or your unscheduled task, is visible here in the same location. So if you want to look at all your daily tasks, click daily. You can see that we've now got a count here so you can see how many tasks you have. We've made some improvements to the way that you enter new tasks. So if I have a new task, you can rapid fire create those tasks and they'll show up at the bottom of your list. The other thing that's brand new is we've brought some of the planning elements that were previously under the planning tab, we've brought those to the home page. So two major things. You've got the compass area where you can have your roles. You can actually add a new role right here from the home page. So a new role being a life area. So I've got CEO, dad, husband, marketing manager, personal, whatever role I've got, I can have those here. And as I click on that role, I can see the tasks associated with that role that are applicable. So these would be my daily scheduled tasks for that role. And if I go to my unscheduled, I'll see that I have no unscheduled tasks in that role. So some of the same planning activities that you could do under the planning tab, you could do now right from the home page. Another nice thing from these tasks right here in the task area, the drag and drop, you now will see three lines where you will drag those tasks. And you can of course drag to the calendar to create an appointment out of those tasks. You can also drag these tasks over to one of your roles, to one of your goals, or to one of the lists, which I'll show you here in just a minute. So if I wanted to associate that task with that role, I can link it. Tasks that are linked to one of your roles will have the little person icon here. Now I've also got goals. So let's say I have a goal here of launching PlanPlus version 3.0. One of the tasks I've got to do is create a launch announcement. Maybe I've got to create a video. We're doing that right now. So I can filter by my list by clicking on it on the left. It will show me how many tasks, and I can drill down on each of those lists. The goals have a little goal icon now in the task list. So the other thing that's new here on this home page is this focus tab. So the focus tab, what this is, these are what we're calling task list. So if I were to open up one of my tasks, let's take I like to ride bikes, so I have a list here called bike stuff, and let's say I need to fix bike tire. I put that as a task that's associated with this list. Another thing I can do is I can take one of these tasks and I can drag it to one of my lists. So now I can drag that task, it now is also on my bike stuff list, and then any one of these lists over here I can click on and I can drill down on. For anybody that's using our professional or business edition, you'll know that we've had sales opportunities in the task list as well. You can now filter by those. Those are going to be listed under your opportunities. If you've been wanting to manage projects with PlanPlus, that's a lot easier now using this list functionality. So you can create all kinds of different lists, manage them from right here, and then you can drag tasks and make them part of any one of your lists. And then you can filter by list and drill down and look at just the tasks associated with that list. Now if you have the projects feature in the business edition and you have projects in here, if I have a project that has a due and a start date and a due date that is in the given time frame, those will also show up here on my left sidebar, so I can filter by my project tasks. So the other thing that you'll notice that we've done with some of the changes here to the sidebar, we've moved the daily notes. They used to be down on the bottom, they used to be quite hidden, so we've moved those up above, so you can now add new daily notes here. And you can associate those notes with tags as well, so you can drag and drop the notes to associate them with a tag. We've also moved the bookmarks feature. The bookmarks feature used to be here on the left, it's now up in the top right. So you click on the bookmarks, and you can open up the bookmarks from any page inside PlanPlus. So we really hope you enjoy all these new changes to PlanPlus Online in 2017, and have a great year.